Hey, will kangaroos live in Qatar?
Yes, of course, kangaroos live in Qatar, guys. And it's summer time now.
Hey, cutie pies, how are you all?
So these kangaroos are stored inside the glass, guys, and it is ventilated on the top of this.
It is being feeded inside and it is kept as a prisoner. Poor
But
kangaroos.
it's protected, guys.
Varieties of colorful birds are here. Wow, hey cutie.
Hey, Mutie.
Meow meow.
Meow meow.
You can see the other one, Persian cat. Hey, posing.
Should
This
I
is also
hold the
Persian.
small cat?
Yes, please, Rosh, carry, but don't kill it.
Let me carry this.
Okay, cute. Hey, meow.
I think it's time to carry this small kitten, right?
Yes, do carry, Rosh.
Okay.
Hello, baby. Hello.
Let me carry, please. Yes.
Yes, Rosh is carrying little catty. Hey, little mousey. Oh my god, what is this?
Should I try?
What is that? My goodness.
Should I hold it, Lynette?
It's a mouse, I guess.
It's
Different types
spikes.
of
Spiky mouse.
spiky mouse.
Spike overall through the head and overall the body.
Hey! Come on, Rosh. It
Touch.
should bite you now. Yes, please bite Roshan and take the revenge. It's the right time for
Oh.
you. Ratty?
It's gone. Oh!
So here you can see the man is feeding the birds. See the way they are feeding it in a syringe. Wow!
The baby birds.
Baby birds.
Small
Cute
baby.
little baby.
Very small.
Don't kill it, Rosh. Please
Just
handle with care.
it's
Hello.
yellowish, right?
Yeah,
How pretty is this?
very pretty. Hey, so nice.
So
Mixed
colorful.
colors,
All are small chicks.
all variety of colors, little birds.
Yes, the smaller one. Wow. Very small it is. Right after the birth, within some days they brought it, guys, here. And they are feeding and getting grow.
And there are too many different kinds of birds you can see here. Actually, we are here to buy fish, but unfortunately, we saw all different kinds of birds and animals.
It's too colorful, and this bird is quite expensive, but it's perfect to
Yeah,
watch.
too attractive.
Already
See this combo?
red and yellow, white.
How well God has created all these birds. So colorful, so
And
pretty.
this is superb, simply superb, guys. It's female bird.
How you came to know female?
It's written over there.
Hello. Parrot? No. Bite, bite, bite it. Yes. Sha. Hey, mister. My God, see, eyes is really colorful seeing this.
It's
Hello,
blackish.
pinkish, yellowish, greenish, blackish,
Pigeon,
grayish.
all kinds of birds.
Which colors you want to tell,
Varieties
guys? There are
of birds.
varieties of colors. Wow, this is quite beautiful.
And this is Lynette's favorite.
Yeah, it's too good.
Black.
So beautiful.
It's look
sexy
like
black.
crow.
Not crow, okay, guys. It is so beautiful bird.
Rabbit.
Hey, rabbit.
You want to see the different kinds of
Chota
rabbit?
wala rabbits, bada wala rabbits.
You will find the bigger one. Quite different. Wait for it.
And these are all too expensive.
Birds. Variety. Different kinds of birds, guys.
I mean, this is also pretty. What else?
Birds are meant to be pretty.
Tortoise, little tortoise. You can see different size of tortoise. Guys,
Smaller,
it's not artificial, it's a real one.
smaller size.
Okay, let me catch one.
Collection of tortoise.
One tortoise, please.
Let me catch old. Yes, guys.
Oh, Rosh is posing with little tortoise.
Watch over this, guys.
Even I
Tortoise.
wanna carry. Give me, nah.
No, you just watch it and seal in it. Take. వదలదు. What else? What's next? Oh, look at this. The face. Look at the face. The structure, the color, the pattern, everything in detail. That's why this is too attractive, guys. The color combination is
That's a
just
Turkish shell.
amazing, isn't it?
Yes, duck, lovebirds.
All are unique in their own way.
You can see per head it's 150 Qatar Riyal. 150 in the sense 3,000 rupees.
Look at this. Wow.
What's this chameleon?
It's staring at you, I think so.
Not at all.
Too many birds. Here we have.
By the way, I didn't get what is this. See
It's a kind
big,
of rabbit, different.
yeah,
I don't know
it's
what
a
exactly.
wild rabbit or what?
Might be. Very silent and innocent.
Yeah, you should live it from the cage, then you'll know.
The
what
normal
is that.
one.
Hey, Birdu.
Once
Roshu,
again.
you want this home, Roshu?
Yeah, because you're inside?
No.
Oh my god. It's
My God, what is this?
kind of different.
Okay.
So keep supporting, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll be posting better and better videos. Keep supporting.
Do like, share, and subscribe, guys. Bye.